Hi there, let me show you how to use Measure on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So, to use Measure app, as a first step, find the Utilities folder on your home screen. This is default Apple's folder. Here you'll see this app Measure. So, first thing we can see is this line, and also we can see some clues on the phone such as move further away. So let's just tap here. Also we got here a clue slow down. And first thing you're gonna need is to select the starting point to measure. So point to the white dot on the screen and press the plus button to set the first measurement. For example, we can measure length of this box. I'm gonna tap here to choose this one as starting point. And now move the phone so that you point to the other end of the object you wanna measure. So let's just point it to the end and tap on plus. After that, you will see the measurement line appear between the points. You can tap it, and as you can see, this box is exactly 18 centimeters, and you can copy this result. You can also press plus again to continue adding points by following the shape or contour of the object for more complex measurements. And when you have finished measuring, if you want to save the result, just click on the camera icon at the bottom to take a screenshot. This will save a screen image of your measurements to your gallery. And also at the bottom of the screen, we can switch to this level tab. And it is used to check the level of horizontality of objects. So you can place your iPhone on the object you want to check if it is a vertical or horizontal. The app will show you how level the surface is, and you can adjust the position of the object until the desired result is achieved. Just like that. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.